All right, quick one today. MiniMax Audio just added some seriously useful stuff. You can highlight text, assign emotion, add pauses, and stack sound tags. And if you use it right, your voiceovers instantly feel more real. Let me show you exactly how I do it. This is how the MiniMax audio platform looks. On the left, you have the tab for text-to-speech, and here you can type or paste your text. Here you also have this new button called Emotion. But first, you need to select the text you want to be affected. Then it lets you choose from 8 different emotions like happy or sad and so on. Then you can add more text, select it, and choose another emotion, and so on. So it is quite easy to use. You also have the option to insert pauses, from a quarter or half a second to more if you really need it. And the third thing that is quite fun to use is the sound tags. There are quite a few, and you can use your mouse wheel to scroll down and see more of them. Today, I will test all of them to see how they sound. These are the emotion types they offer, and I added a quick description of what to expect for each. Now, for each generation, it is different. Sometimes the emotion is stronger, sometimes it is more subtle. It depends on the text you add, so it is more aware of the context. So try to generate multiple times until you get one that you like. The same goes for sound tags. Sometimes I got really good sounds, and sometimes they were barely perceptible, but it can definitely help to get more realism into your AI voice, as you will see in some of the examples I will show. Let's start with an example for happy. We actually did it. After everything we went through, we finally made it. I hope it is not getting too confusing that I am using my AI voice to show the examples. Yes, the voice you are hearing now is made with MiniMax Audio, and I use it for my video tutorials. So remember, add your text, select the text, choose the emotion you want to test, hit generate, and try multiple seeds until it sounds the way you like. Let's hear the sad one. I waited for you until the very end. You never came back. I trusted you, and you threw it away like it meant nothing. Don't turn around. I swear something is standing right behind you. I can't believe you expect me to accept this. It makes my skin crawl. You knew the truth this whole time, and you said nothing? For the sound tags, you can select one from here or use the word for that sound tag in round brackets, like I did here for laughs. It will turn purple when it is recognized. I can't believe you actually tried that. That was bold. You thought I wouldn't notice? Nice try. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, let's continue. All right. Let me explain this properly. Oh, come on. Ugh, not this again. Just wait. I need a moment to think. I ran all the way here. Tell me I'm not too late. Okay. I'm ready to hear the truth. It's finally over. We survived. Wait, you opened it? Are you insane? It smells awful in here. What is that? I tried my best. I really did. Oh, sure. That's a brilliant plan. What could possibly go wrong? Excuse me. Anyway, as I was saying. That's actually better than I expected. Let me think. I almost have it. Let me think. I almost have it. Don't touch that. It's dangerous. So, I may have made a small mistake. Sorry. There's dust everywhere in here. Sorry. There's dust everywhere in here. So I tried to see how many emotions I can add in a single generation, and it seems you can have a maximum of 15 emotions. So I combined emotions with sound tags here. Let's hear what I got. I shouldn't be here this late. The hallway is darker than I remember, and the air tastes like metal. Hello? Anyone? I'm looking for the control room. A light flickers. I freeze. Then I hear it, a faint sound behind the wall. No, that can't be real. Something in here smells rotten. A panel clicks open by itself. Wait, what? The floor vibrates. A low, ugly noise crawls up my spine. I step back, but my heel hits something. Ow. Dust fills my throat. I try to laugh it off. Yeah, great, this is fine. The lights die completely. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. A whisper slips close to my ear, too close. I feel my lips go dry. My hands shake, and I can't stop breathing. I hear my own voice, but it doesn't sound like mine. So, you finally came. I spin around. Nothing. Okay, quick joke. I told my computer I needed a break. Now it won't stop sending me Kit Kat ads. Like nonstop. I swear it's watching me. Anyway, that's my relationship with technology. Okay, this one is terrible. I tried to make a belt out of watches. Total waste of time. A complete waste. I'm sorry. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Huge thank you to AI Titans for your support. Seriously, you're keeping this going. In a good way. And shout out to Sebastian Anthony, Thomas Brown, and Uptown Funk. All right, I'm out. See you in the next one.